everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you are all doing well today. Today's video is a special video for me. It is a PR video with Nail Reserve LA, formerly known as Nail Addict. They were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I would like to do a video, and of course I said yes. So they sent me a few products and I'm gonna show you what I got right now. So here's the box. I really like that it's made from 100% recycled paper. Like that. Very cute packaging. It's like a little party. Okay, so let's dig in. I got White Addict, Black Addict, I got Nectar. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. What else? I've got Temptation, and of course they sent me a base and a no wipe top coat. So a few things about these products is that they are vegan, they are cruelty free, 9 free. Also, I have a 50% off coupon code to share with you. It's Lisa Marie C. I will post that in my description box as well as the link to their website. So we are going to swatch these out because I am so excited to see what they look like. Let's start with the colors because I just really want to know. So we will start with Temptation. Nice bubblegum pink. Can't go wrong with this in the summertime. Wow, look at that coverage with one coat. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna cure that up. So now let's start Nectar. Very pretty, nice and soft. I've been wanting a nice orange color, like nothing, you know, like pumpkin or anything. And I believe I found it. Very pretty, love that. I was so excited when Nail Reserve reached out to me because I heard so many good things about their nail polishes. And I must say, it is true. Wow. This is crazy. One coat, and this is like really good. Amazing. Amazing, amazing coverage. Look at that. I'm really excited about this white because, you know, it's supposed to be really opaque, and I hate putting so many coats of white to make it opaque, and I shy away from it. So with this, the rumors are true. Beautiful. How do they do this? Here is the 4 beautiful colors that I chose. I'm really happy with this selection. This is just 2 coats and it is amazing. I love this polish so far. Keep on watching and I'm going to do a quick set with them. Okay, so I am going to start off with a base coat on all of my nails. And it feels just as good as all the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it nice and simple because these colors are beautiful. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna use all of them, but I know I'm definitely using Nectar and Temptation. So I'm just gonna kind of do like random patterns. Well, it's not really a pattern. Something like that. And I'm gonna do every other finger. Okay, I'm gonna cure that. I am so grateful that Nail Reserve reached out to me and wanted me to do a video. This is very exciting. Hopefully I do them proud. This has amazing coverage. Amazing. Let's do a double check. Okay. Cure it up. This color is so cute. Okay, I think that's all the coats we need. Looks great. Now I'm gonna do pink on the other tips. This really cute Temptation. Like I said, I'm just doing random shapes here, but kind of cohesive. I cannot get over how good this polish is. Okay, I'm going to cure this. I'm going to add a top coat over all these beautiful colors. I'm so happy with the colors I chose. They are just so pretty. Now I think I'm going to use the Black Addict. I just really like how, like, you know, pastels and light colors look with black, and I'm just a black lover. I don't think I'm gonna need too much because I forgot how good it is. And my plan is just to outline this. Ooh. I want to keep it swirly. I'm gonna give this a cure. I love how this looks. Okay, so I have these really cute cheetah print stickers that I want to use. So, do I like that? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this one on my thumb. Be back after my final top coat. Okay, I am all done. I put some bling on these things, and to say some is an understatement. I just couldn't stop. But yeah, I totally am in love with this nail polish. So look how pretty these colors are. So creamy, such good coverage. I love it. And thank you so much again to Nail Reserve for reaching out to me for this PR. I so appreciate it. And don't forget to use my coupon code Lisa Marie C for 50% off. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.